Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be discussing and looking at the micro note cards that just were released from Happy Planner and how I'm going to use them. So if you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. I cannot wait for you to see all the fun we're going to have here. So you may want to subscribe because it is fun sometimes, most times, all times. And if you're back, well, welcome. Then you already know we are having fun. Let's get started. All right, so these little happy notes have been just released by Happy Plan. Well, okay, I take that back. There was a version of them released in Christmas. I don't think they're still out any longer, but they were themed towards Christmas itself. But then these ones are new and they are literally as they look. They're just little plain note card paper. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about how I'm going to use them. They're very small, so let me see if I can show you if you haven't seen them yet. This is a classic size happy note. Classic size happy note. That's a micro. So they're like little babies. Little babies. Okay. Little baby notes. So what I'm going to use them for, now I'm going to use them for lots of different things. One of them is going to go in my purse. It may even replace my mini planner. I don't know. That'll have to be seen after I get a little bit more familiarized with how I use it, but literally just as it seems for notes on the go because it's the perfect size. Then the other one, I'm going to make my home budget goal guide. And I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to use it for, but basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up. I'm going to take goal pictures of something I want. I'm going to put it on the front, and on the back, I'm going to jot any notes down that I need until I don't need any more on there. But just take little notes down for that, and then on what my budget is, what my goal is, what my idea is, and just have one as like a little mini home guide. Now, what's nice about these is that they are small. They are perfect for doing that. You could put any type of notes or contact pages. Maybe you want to track. This would be a great mood tracker because it's just really simple note paper. The paper probably is the same. It feels a little bit thinner to me, but it's probably the same paper weight. But it is very tiny, so it's probably also part of it. It is literally the perfect pocket size. I mean, I just can't even. It's just so cute. But another thing that I would use them for is actually writing out like the types of like the bill, like maybe your like like your mortgage company's bill payment number, because sometimes you do need to call them and it's nice to have that number without having to like Google it or look on a statement or something. So that would be a great way, like a really like, kind of like a contact book. You'd think like there would be no more paper correspondence as far as writing them down. It would be just digital, but that's a lie. My computer's talking to you a lot. But as far as they are concerned, they're really a great pocket resource for you. I also think that my husband would like one of these, maybe the unicorn one with the purple discs. No, because it's really nice to just be able to take notes and not have anything that's like super great. He has formulas he has to remember, so this would be a great place to have those formulas written down without it being some big giant notebook that's like super crazy and like some super big thing. I think it's great for anything like that. Memory keeping is also what I am going to get another one for, to do little memory keeping, because memory keeping is very daunting to me. Now this is from a sprocket, so this will give you an idea on size and how it fits in here. But it would be great to take print a picture and then write memories on the back without having to do a full week of memory keeping. Like I said, it's really daunting to me, so it's like it would be an simpler way to do it without it making me feel overwhelmed, I guess would be what I would say. But it is something that I've been wanting to get into for a while. So you can find these. There's some at Joann's, Michael's, and Hobby Lobby. I bought these two at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to show you really quickly about this one. This is a As you can see, it's $5.99 pre if you don't have a coupon or it's not on sale. I did not buy it on sale, but I would recommend buying it on sale if you're gonna buy it on sale. It's just better that way. They will be released on the Happy Planner site. There's tons of these little doodadders coming out, but they're going to be released on the Happy Planner site on March 8th. So if this is something you're interested in getting a few of these, make sure to check it out. If you only want one of these, I would not recommend ordering from Happy Planner site directly because you have a shipping charge in there unless it's over a certain value. So I would say look for them in store unless you're going to buy over that value. Okay, so on these, there's two different ways you're going to see this particular cover. It's going to either have her with her cute little darker skin toned, cute little, oh my gosh, she's adorable. Or it's going to have this one on the front. This year looks bright, adorable. I actually have this as my main planner cover right now. But whether or not anyone's on front, they're both in there. So if you want this one as your main cover and this one not, then it will just, you'll just flip it around and it'll be in the back. But whichever one you buy, they're the same thing. It's just one's flipped with the cover on the front than the other one. If you don't even want the note paper, if you don't even want the happy notes, you just want the little dashboards, these are worth it to have little dashboards in your planner itself as little bookmarks or anything. You can like pop it up one level above and it's a great little bookmarky. And then these are obviously great punched cards. To give you a little bit more perspective on the paperweight of it though, because that's where I have been kind of a Nazi lately. It's very similar in size to this. It's a little bit, these are on the coordinated accessory packs. It's going to have one more row down, but it's not nearly as long. These are a little bit thicker. So these are more like cardstocky, like kind of pretty thick. These are like not. So definitely like thin, more note paper, like very thin note paper as far as that's concerned. So I do think it is thinner than don't quote me on that, but I do think that the paperweight's a little bit thinner than the planner itself. They're adorable. They're cute. There's lots of ways to use them. I have just named a few, and I think that they are great for a purse, especially those who like something on the go, but they don't want a full mini with them. So highly recommend picking 2 of these up. In lieu of mini Mondays, it's micro Mondays today. Micro Mondays for everyone. So, all right, everyone. Well, make sure if you're interested that you check these out on the 8th. And then as I said before, I think they're going to be at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and Joann's, but I know for 100% Joann's and Hobby Lobby will have them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe if you have not already, and I cannot wait to see you on the next one. Have a great rest of your day.